Hey guys, it's time for the monthly market report looking back to December 2020. Let's jump right into it. Well, welcome to 2021. Listen, like me, I think everybody right now is thinking, I hope this is a good one. And actually, 2020 ended a little better than I think we could have anticipated, at least in the real estate world. Let's look at some stats and let's figure out how it went. I'll be focusing on statistics for detached houses within the city limits of Prince George. Okay, now before I get there, if you are considering selling or buying a property this year, I would love to connect with you and have a chat. Check out my number below, give me a call or text, and let's connect. Okay, straight into the market report. So there were 48 sales in December, up from 44 last year, an increase of 9.1%. Not bad. Average days on market was at 30 compared to 43 last year. That's a drop of 30%. So we've got an increase in the rate of activity. All right. Median sales price was at $381,000, up from $355 last year, an increase of 7.2%. Prices are up, days on market are down, sales are up. Percent of original price, 98.2% compared to 95.7%. Now for the time of year for December, that's pretty high. It's often a time when people are thinking, boy, I'm gonna get a deal on this house, it's December. Well, think again, you're looking at just over 1.5% of movement on the average home. Sales to active listings ratio, okay, 0.64. Last year we had 0.33. That's an increase of 95%, nearly double. To clarify there, we're talking about the number of sales compared to the amount of listings at the time. So essentially we're saying that people are buying at twice the rate, or they were buying at twice the rate. There's half the selection and they're still making the same number of sales. So that shows a really fierce market. Active listings, 75 compared to 134 last year. I don't know what to say about that. It's such low inventory, there's nothing. If you call me and you're gonna ask about a property, chances are 3 out of 4 times I'm gonna say it's got an accepted offer. Okay, that's the kind of situation we're looking at. Our supply is currently at 1 month. That means at the rate of sales, in 1 month we'd be out of inventory if no more new listings came on the market. So for the time of year, we're looking at a very hot market. Coming into the spring, with these kinds of trends, we should see good growth. So I think you'll continue to see an upward trend this year. It is very clearly a seller's market. If you have a home to sell, you're going to be in a happy place. As a buyer, you better have a sharp agent. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps. Again, if you want to chat at all, I'd love to connect with you. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.